Hi guys, today's episode is sponsored by Davie. Davie is my go-to milk to make all Indian sweets and Indian delicacies. And while I was in Trinidad, I was gifted with this beautiful hamper from Davie. Now in this hamper we have full cream milk, we have skimmed milk, low-fat milk, and we have the new baby's milk. So for those of you all who are transitioning your baby from breast milk to powdered milk, this is a great option. So I'll be doing a video showing you guys how to utilize the milk, and I'm also going to be doing videos utilizing all of the other milk. So stay tuned to my channel as I show you guys how to make some delicious desserts using Davie's powdered milks. So guys, the first demo I'm going to do for you all is utilizing this Davie ABC milk. When your baby hits 1, your pediatrician is going to transition the baby from regular baby's milk to a milk that's 1 year and older, because babies under 1 year drink a different powder milk from babies who are 1 year and older. Now once they hit 1, this would be a really great milk to use. Now remember, this is only available for people who live in Trinidad. So guys, if you are in the US, you would not be able to have access to this milk, but if you wanted to, you can ask a family member to post it for you via TT Post. My mom usually posts all my Davie powdered milks for me, and I get it in less than a week. So you guys can try that. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make a bottle utilizing this milk. So guys, so those of you who are new parents, this is going to be something new to you. Those of you who already have babies or toddlers, you'll know about this. So to make a baby bottle, we're going to start off by adding some hot water to the bottle. Now if it's piping hot, you add less, and if it's warm, you add more, because you don't want the bottle or the milk to be too hot for the baby, because you can burn their mouth. So now I'm going to go in with some cold water, and I like using bottled water, and I'm just going to be making a couple ounces. So here I have 6 ounces. So to the water, I'm going to go in with this Davie ABC milk, and it's going to be used just like a regular, like you're making regular milk for the baby, just like any other baby's milk. So I'm going to put in 3 scoops of this milk, because that's what's recommended on the pack. Cover and shake.
So with this basic bottle, you can add Nestum, pureed fruits or vegetables. Click on that end card to see how I make a bottle more nutritious. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!